Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we talk about relevant topics as well as show tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how to use Excel. So first and foremost, you want to open up your Excel. When you open it up, as you can see, it gives you quite a lot of templates to use from. I can come here and yeah, there's a lot of templates, I can select a template, but for now we just want a blank. So over here it's pretty simple as that. You can make yourself a table, just some thick boxes, and on the inside you just want to put normal boxes in all borders. I'm just gonna put alright, and then you can increase the width or increase the height. It all depends on what you want and what you need. And to write something in, you want to double click in. You either want to double click, or once clicking that box you will type over here. And okay, seems like my Excel is not gonna respond. Well, that's a bummer. Let's just wait for Excel to it just restarted itself anyways. So as you can see, I can type something, and if I type something really big, as you can see, it takes up that, but we want to type something here as well, and we did. Now our first box, I want to see what I typed, so you can double click right there over there, and that should make the box larger or smaller depending on your text size. And you can also color it. You can put in formulas like sum, average. There's so many things about Excel. There's so many different ways to use it. It's all about on what you want to do and how you want to do. You can put in formulas to do some calculation. You can make yourself a chart, a list. It really depends on what you want from Excel. So I know I haven't showed you much. I showed the basic ways of how to use Excel. And if this video was helpful, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.